In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background color effect to text in Canva. This simple technique makes your words pop, improves readability over busy images, and gives your design a clean, polished look. We'll walk through where to find the setting, how to apply it, and how to fine-tune it so it fits your style perfectly. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once you're in your design, click on the text you want to highlight. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box and handles around the text. As soon as it's selected, look at the toolbar that appears across the top of the editor. That's where all the text controls live, and it updates based on what you've selected, so make sure you've clicked the text itself. In that top toolbar, click on Effects. This opens the Text Effects panel on the side or as a drop-down. Inside, look for an option labeled Background. Click it, and Canva will immediately place a background shape behind your text. You'll see the effect right away on your canvas, so you can judge how it's working with your layout and imagery. Now, let's refine it. You'll find several controls to customize the look. Roundness adjusts the corner radius of the background shape. Drag it down for sharper corners, or up for soft, rounded pills that feel friendlier and more modern. Spread controls the padding around your letters, essentially, how much breathing room the background gives your text. Increase it to create a bold, banner-like highlight, or decrease it for a tight, subtle label. Transparency controls how solid the background appears. Lower transparency makes the color more opaque and striking. Higher transparency lets more of the image or color behind show through, which is great when you want emphasis without overpowering your design. Finally, choose the background color. Pick a color that complements your design and create strong contrast with the text color for maximum readability. If you're working with brand colors, this is a perfect place to apply them consistently. As you adjust, keep an eye on balance. The right combination of spread and roundness keeps your text legible without feeling cramped or too loud. For accessibility, aim for high contrast between the text and its background, especially on smaller screens or busy photos. Subtle transparency can help blend the effect into photo-heavy layouts, while solid backgrounds are ideal for headers and callouts. That's all there is to it. Open your project, select your text, go to Effects, choose Background, and then dial in roundness, spread, transparency, and color until it looks just right. Happy designing!